What's up, guys? So we got the helicopter is actually I wouldn't say refueling, but it's picking up chemical from the truck, and then helicopter will take back off, go above the field, most likely beans, and spray again. I just wanted to show you guys. This is in southern Illinois. We have the helicopters that come out here and do it, and we also have planes. Oh, goodness. There we go. I don't know if I can get a better view here. There you guys go. I thought it was pretty cool, and I wanted to share it with everyone on YouTube. This is when we can't get back out into the fields. A lot of farmers use these guys. We have a local airport in town. Come out here and do an awesome job. Okay, guys. I'd like to show you guys him taking back off, but I don't know how long he's gonna be. Sorry, my camera work needs a little attention. Okay, guys, take it easy.